If you've come this far to take apart your Korg M1 keyboard, because one of your keys are sticking, in order to take it out, you need to take off this little strip, which is on the back here, which allows these to move in that direction. And they're spring activated. So let me get one, for example. You push it towards the back. See how it goes like that? Then the pops out from the back. Then you bring it towards the front. You gotta wiggle it a little bit. And there you go. So you can tell right there. There's a curve going this way. There's a curve going that way. So it goes that way and that way. And the opposite when you take it out. So you go that way, lift up, bring it back this way, lift up. Now there's a spring right here, which will buy a spring plate. Just look at it the way it's set in there, because sometimes they fall out as you take them out. So you see that piece, it goes underneath that plastic, hits against this piece, and it just sits there in place. Now where that piece right here at the end hits is right in that spot right in there. So when you put it back in, get the front in first, put it down, and make sure this piece right here sits in there before you push it all the way and push the back in. All right, each keyboard is different. Some have springs, you know, coil springs. This one is a plate spring. I hope this is something that can help you out if you get stuck as you're trying to clean up your keyboard. Now, if you want to get to the black keys, the sharps, you have to get rid of the white ones first. I mean, move them out of the way before you can move this one, because it won't come out when these are around it. Okay, while you're here, you might as well clean it all up. That's what I'm gonna do. It's filthy. And if the keys are sticking, you need to clean them, take them out. Usually it's sometimes something might have spilled in there. You gotta clean the sides, or even this thing here that has some grease on it. It just builds up dust on the grease and it prevents it from moving. Once you get it all cleared up, then you can put it back together. Putting everything back together is in the reverse. Just take your time. Take pictures as you go along the way. Put the screws in different piles so you know which goes where. All right? Hope this is something that can help you out if you get stuck trying to clean out your keyboard. Thanks for watching.